Water skis are a must-have for any water sports enthusiast. There are many products available to choose water skis, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best water skis from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. O'Brien Celebrity 68 Water Ski with X7 Adjustable Bindings. O'Brien Combo Water Skis are versatile water skis suitable for the whole family. The X7 adjustable binding accommodates various foot sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for users from U.S. men April 5th, 13. With a padded rear toe plate, these skis offer added support and stability. The performance side cut enhances turning ability, making it easier for you to maneuver on the water. Additionally, the dual tunnel design improves control and stability, providing a smooth skiing experience for all skill levels. Number 2. Rave Sports Pure Combo Water Skis. The Rave Sports Pure Combo Water Skis, also known as Rave Sports Water Skis, are designed to bring pure joy to the sport of water skiing. These water skis feature secure and comfortable bindings that are easily adjustable, making it effortless for everyone in the family to start skiing in no time. The center ridge and deeper edge channels provide stability during deep water starts, giving users control and responsiveness while cutting over wakes and through waves. With a length of 67 inch (170 centimeters) and suitable for riders over 125 pounds, these water skis offer a thrilling and enjoyable experience on the water. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced skier, the Rave Sports Pure Combo Water Skis are sure to enhance your water skiing adventures. Number 3. O'Brien Vortex Widebody Combo Water Skis. O'Brien Vortex water skis are designed with X7 adjustable bindings, suitable for men's foot sizes April 5th, 13. The wide body of 65.5 inches provides excellent stability for smooth skiing. The adjustable bindings make it easy to customize the fit for your comfort. With one ski having a rear toe piece, these water skis offer versatility for different skill levels. The O'Brien Vortex water skis are ideal for both beginners and experienced skiers looking for stability and performance. Number 4. O'Brien Celebrity Combo Water Skis. O'Brien water skis are designed with an X7 adjustable binding to fit various foot sizes, a padded rear toe plate for comfort, and a performance side cut for improved turning ability. The dual tunnel feature enhances control and stability on the water, making it a great choice for the whole family to enjoy. The adjustable binding ensures a customized fit for users, while the padded toe plate adds extra comfort during use. The performance side cut facilitates smoother and more efficient turns, enhancing the overall skiing experience. Number 5. O'Brien Kids All-Star Trainer Combo Water Skis. The O'Brien Kids All-Star Trainer Combo Water Skis are perfect for young skiers up to 85 pounds. It comes with a stabilizer bar for easy learning, adjustable bindings for various sizes, and a trainer rope to make it a complete package. The stabilizer bar will help you to learn balance and control, and the adjustable bindings will ensure that you can use the skis as you grow.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.